and the people they were dancing to the music fine, and the boys chase the girls with the curls in their hair while the shot and then he sit way over there, and the songs get louder, each one better than before.
And you're singing a song, singing this is the life, and you wake up in the morning and your head feels twice the size. Where you gonna go, where you gonna go, where you gonna sleep tonight? And you're singing a song, singing this is the life, and you wake up in the morning and your head feels twice the size. Where you gonna go, where you gonna go, where you gonna sleep tonight? Where you gonna sleep tonight? So you're heading down the road in your taxi for 4, and you're waiting outside Jimmy's front door, and nobody's in, nobody's home till 4. So you're sitting out there with nothing to do, talking about Robert Ragger and his motley crew, and where you gonna go, where you gonna sleep tonight? And you're singing a song, singing this is the life, and you wake up in the morning and your head feels twice the size. Where you gonna go, where you gonna go, where you gonna sleep tonight? And you're singing a song, singing this is the life, and you wake up in the morning and your head feels twice the size. Where you gonna go, where you gonna go, where you gonna sleep tonight? Where you gonna sleep tonight?
And you're singing a song, thinking this is the life, and you wake up in the morning and your head feels twice the size. Where you gonna go, where you gonna go, where you gonna sleep tonight?
And you're singing a song, singing this is the life, and you wake up in the morning and your head feels twice the size. Where you gonna go, where you gonna go, where you gonna sleep tonight? Where you gonna sleep tonight?
Sleep tonight.